Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a look at the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolutionary Pet Vacuum. So there's actually two of these that you can see on Amazon. There's an orange one like you see here, and there's a purple one that you see as well. So we have been in this house for about 18 months, and although we don't allow food in the rooms and we don't allow shoes to be on the carpet, things happen. Kids run up, grab things, walk on the carpet with their shoes on when they're not supposed to. They sneak things up here, food and things that we see them on the shelf, little snacks. So anyways, that happens. And honestly, this is like the carpeting after 18 months doesn't look that great, even though we upgraded the carpeting in the house. So you know how that goes too. So anyways, we are going to give you a full review of this carpet cleaner. So we bought this to clean it. The orange one on Amazon is $1.99. And if you look at the specs, everything besides the cord's a little bit shorter. There's an attachment that's got a hose that's a little bit shorter. Otherwise, all the other items are all the same. The width, everything else is really the same on it. The only other piece is there's like they have a little spray nozzle here that you can, for spot treatments, I guess if you don't want to lean down and spray it with a cleaner. It has a little trigger that allows you to clean there. And then it also allows you to open up this front. And my assumption, based on making some passes here, is that it's to get the balled up, what you'd see hair and stuff that you get out of the carpet out of there. But it does come out of there. You just, once you get done with the carpet where it's in a clean area, if you run it a few times, it'll pull all that stuff right out of there. So not sure if that's worth it yet or not. But we'll give you a full review. This one was $1.99. The purple one was $2.66. And so we gave this a go. If it doesn't work out for us, maybe it was worth the extra $66 to get the other one. But we're gonna let you know. Setup of this is really pretty quick and pretty easy. So you have this is your dirty water tank on the bottom. So this just kind of pops in there. So it's got a little handle on it. I wouldn't trust it all the way. And it's got a empty area where you can empty things out and clean it, things like that. So that's really that. So that just really goes into there. The top one is your cleaning solution. So you fill it up with water. It's got little lines in the back, makes it really easy. It's got a little thing that actually open and put the water in. And then you dump in some BISSELL formula, so Pro formula, whatever. There's like 100 of them online. So we gave one a try for the Pro formula. And then the only other thing you really got to do for this is this piece has to get put on. So this piece is really, it just kind of snaps into place, and then it's got a screw. So all it really is it's for your cord, so you can wrap your cord around this. So that's really all that is. And then the handle here is the other piece that just snaps into place. So that's really it. I mean, after that, you're ready to roll, and you can start cleaning once you have the formula. So this does not last that long. You know, I'm in a pretty small, I would say a small room, like 12 by 14 or something like that room. I'm on my third one. So, you know, the little bottles of formula, each time you do this is about half of a small bottle of formula. And so it's about, I would guess, about 3 ounces or so, maybe 4 ounces of formula. And then the rest of this is hot water. And then it goes from here into the reserve tank. You empty them all, you keep going until you get the whole room done. So I'm going to show you how they recommend doing it, which is basically they recommend that you make a forward pass, pulling the trigger, which is going to make these spin and it's going to make formula go into the carpet. Then you make a back pass, so you go forward once, back once in the same area, forward once more pulling the trigger yet. And then they want you to go backwards slowly, which is just really going to suck up all the formula that you just put down in the cleaner you put down. Go forward again slowly, and then I usually go back one more time just to get all of the remaining, as much water as you can get out of the carpet, and as much formula as you can get out of the carpet. And that's really it. Okay, the one thing I forgot to mention is that you're supposed to vacuum the room thoroughly before you actually start cleaning it, which makes sense. You don't want to suck up a bunch of gunk. But one thing I did notice is that my kids' rooms, we thought were pretty clean. We thought we vacuumed them pretty clean. But you'll get some balled up, like almost like hair clumps. And you can see them a little bit in the front right now. You can see that that's what you're getting out of there. You're getting the kind of the clumps and the little, probably fabric pieces that are, you know, that sort of stuff. Maybe dog hair. So you get that, and sometimes it leaves it on the carpet. Even though if you go back and forth a bunch of times, it'll leave it down there. So that's really the only thing that I've said. Otherwise, it looks like it cleans it really well. It lifts the carpet. It looks like it took a bunch of dirt out of it. You can see the dirty water. It's not filthy, so that's good, but it's dirty. And then the other thing I'll just quick mention is one difference between the purple one and the orange one is it has a lift here that you can get to the bristles in here. So I didn't think it was that big a deal. I still don't think it's that big a deal, because whether I pull this open and pull that out of there, or I run the vacuum and it gets sucked into it, or I, whatever, it doesn't, either way you're going to get it out of there. It's not going to be stuck in there. So I don't think that's a big deal yet, but I'll let you know. Okay, this also comes with it as well. So it's a nozzle cleaning tool, and at first we were like, okay, what's that do? Until you realize that this, make sure it's not going to leak stuff out. Stuff gets stuck in here, right? So you want to be able to grab the hair out of here and things like that, and this tool will allow you to do that. So if you had stuff stuck in there, it'll allow you to kind of get that out of there. So, or it'll just get pushed up into your reservoir. But this is what this does. It kind of gets you to hook some of that hair and stuff that gets stuck in there and get it out of there. So that's that. Another thing you can do, which does help a little bit, but I don't know if it's that drastic of a helping thing, but you can actually remove this. So they call this the nozzle, I think. And you can remove this, so it's just a little bit easier to get your tool up in there and get things cleaned out of there. But you still gotta, there's no easy way of doing it. You gotta kind of like fish to get the stuff out of there. So, you can see some of the stuff that you get in the bottom. This is all pet hair too. So you probably don't want to mess with this a lot, but we have some pet hair issues in there, so you can just get some of that stuff out of there and make it a little bit cleaner. So when you're making your passes, you don't leave kind of those pet clumps, those dust balls with pet hair in them. So it makes it a little bit easier just to kind of clean things out. Okay, so we finished 2 full rooms so far, and so far, pretty impressed. It's done a good job. We got some spots out that we didn't think might not come out, but we got them out. And this is the other accessories it comes with. So it comes with a hose, and it comes with some cleaners that you can do upholstery, you could do stairs, that sort of thing. So we're not doing that today, but maybe we'll show you that in a future video, and I'll do some stairs because I have some going down to my office. So, but it comes with these other accessories and a nice kind of carry bag to put all your stuff in so you don't lose it. So you have that as well. So, you always think your floors are pretty clean, and then you start doing some work on them like this, and then you go, geez, I thought the kids weren't supposed to be up here with shoes on, but that is what came out of what we thought was our cleanest room so far. So it's kind of embarrassing a little bit, but at the same time, this obviously was a good idea to buy this. And the other thing I really like about this is that, with all the things going on in the world today, you don't really want to have carpet cleaner guys come into your house, clean your floors, or clean your carpets and do things like that. So for $200 and some solution and a little bit of your own work, you can do room by room, and then you have this. So if something happens, you spill something, wine or whatever, on a rug, you have it, and it's available for you. So today we'll probably end up spending right around, it's $200 for the vacuum. We'll probably get another, $30 worth of additional solution. So for $230, I can clean all my rooms, let them air out. It's a rainy day, why not? And I can get rid of whatever this is, and that's it. So overall, I would say that the Bissell carpet cleaner, this ProHeat 2X revolutionary pet cleaner, is pretty darn good. The only thing is you have to pick up some of the clumps and stuff like that, some of the pet hair that you get. You have to pick that up a little bit, but besides that, it does a really nice job of cleaning the carpets. So that's it for today. We'll see you next time. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know if you gave this a try, or if you gave something else a try, if you gave the Hoover a try, or the other vacuums that are on the market for this. let us know, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.